In healthcare multi-agent AI, the hardest question isn't which LLM to pick. It's how to split responsibilities so one failure doesn't take down the clinical pipeline. Praxify Agents, one medical orchestrator, 5 private agents, a web app, shared Postgres and Valkey, object storage, and Kubernetes with multi-cloud Helm. Synthetic data only. A single do-everything agent mixes workloads with different latency, risk, and compliance needs. Real-time audio needs milliseconds. Notes need quality and doctor approval. EHR needs FHIR correctness. Notifications need least privilege. Our split: one public orchestrator for auth, sessions, workflow, and rate limits. 5 private agents, each owning one capability. One web app that talks only to the orchestrator. Beneath the agents sit 2 horizontal layers: clinical knowledge for SOAP templates and ICD/CPT retrieval, and an evaluation harness measuring retrieval, faithfulness, and safety before we ship. Top to bottom, clients hit FastAPI on the orchestrator with auth, logging, cores, and correlation IDs. Guardrails run before agent calls, input validation, business rules, circuit breakers, timeouts. 5 downstream agents are invoked via HTTP wrappers. Browsers never call them directly. Shared knowledge, ICD/CPT tables, templates, lives in shared_KM, fed by an offline ingestion pipeline. Only 2 public URLs, the web app and the orchestrator API with REST and WebSockets. Everything else is ClusterIP in Kubernetes: transcription, notes, summarization, EMR, notification. Allowed. Browser to web app and orchestrator. Orchestrator to all agents, Postgres, Valkey, object storage. Disallowed, browser to any agent, public routing to agents, agents over public networks. EMR submission uses A2A from the orchestrator. FHIR vendor calls stay inside the EMR agent. One session ID threads through every step. Login issues a JWT with role. Start session writes Postgres plus Valkey hot state. Audio flows WebSocket orchestrator to transcription agent, never direct to transcription. Notes: orchestrator calls notes agent with SOAP or DAP format. Optional coding enrichment suggests ICD-10 and CPT from shared knowledge. Draft until clinician approves. Optional branches, summarization, then EHR via A2A with FHIR document reference, often approval gated. Notification is orchestrator initiated only. Honest gap: no notify node in LangGraph yet. Wrapper still aligning to /notify. LangGraph coordinates full runs, transcribe, notes, conditional summarize, conditional EHR, finalize. Router checks flags after notes and after summarize. Planned, notify node and enrich codes in notes agent, both feature flagged behind eval gates. Graph delegates to orchestrator methods, not inline agent logic. No Postgres checkpointer on all paths yet. Each agent is its own repo and service. Transcription: Pipecat, daily.co, deepgram Nova 3 medical, real-time and batch STT. Notes: SOAP skills by specialty provenance, optional coding, RAG, quality loops, approval gates. Summarization: thin HTTPXLLM client, no heavy agent framework. EMR, FHIR, validation and vendor push with approval workflow. Notification, email and alerts, orchestrator only trust boundary. 3 data tiers: Postgres, main platform with core sessions and results, shared _kilometers for ICD/CPT and templates, audit, and agent private schemas. Valkey for hot state with canonical keys, main, tenant, environment, class, scope, identifier, never PHI in keys. Object storage for audio, spaces, blob, or S3, metadata in Postgres. Migration phases 0 through 5 complete. Phase 6 adds strict tenant context and RLS. Kubernetes. One Helm chart deploys 7 workloads, values, overlays per cloud. Rollout order. Data services, secrets, migrations, private agents, orchestrator, web app, smoke tests, DNS cutover. Guardrails, layered validation, input, business rules, circuit breakers, timeouts, rate limits. Safe failure beats silent degradation in healthcare AI. MCP standardizes tool and database access. A2A handles bounded agent collaboration. Rule of thumb, MCP for tools and data, A2A for agent workflows, orchestrator for user-facing flow. Clinical knowledge layer, SOAP and provenance in notes agent, ICD/CPT via offline ingestion into shared_KM and Neo4j, queried through coding RAG, codes draft until approval. EMR submits approved codes only. Evaluation layer, mediscribe-eval, 7 pillars from retrieval through regression, smoke on PR, full on release. Deterministic graders first, LLM as judge secondary, synthetic data only. Lessons, hybrid frameworks, LangGraph for graphs, PipeCat for audio, thin HTTP for single LLM calls. 2 public URLs. Orchestrator owns session context. Phased DB migration. Feature flags documented. Measure upstream before you ship. That's the Praxify Agents architecture tour, condensed. Next, C3.1 clinical knowledge, C3.2 eval harness, per agent deep dives, MCP versus A2A, platform DB migration, and Kubernetes cost. Comment what you'd build differently. Thanks for watching.